So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. You can see it's just a 1 minute time frame kind of trade. It's a fast scalping strategy trade. 1:2, and we're out of the market. We're out of the market. So all we have to do now is just to enter the key. The volatility is volatility 25. You can see it there, volatility 25. So this strategy is kind of very, very simple to do. This strategy is very, very easy, and that's a very good win rate. A very, very good massive win rate that anybody can use. Hey, Chibueze, how far you dey? Now you be this for a long time. YouTube does not suggest. YouTube does not give out the names of people who join, so I can't really see the names until you just say hi. I can't really see the names of people who join. So we are pushing down. We're pushing down massively. Okay, Lukman. Now remember. Now really, I don't forget. So we're pushing down. We're pushing down real good. We're pushing down real good. Let me find that trade again. Let me find that trade again. Let me find that trade again using this strategy. All right, we missed this one. So I think another one is coming up. I think another setup is coming up on volatility 75 1s, guys. Another setup is coming up on 1 minute time frame on volatility 75 1s. So we're going to wait for this to cook, okay? We are waiting for this to cook. What I'm going to be doing, guys, those of you are just joining me, what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be learning exactly how I do my analysis, my top-down analysis. I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you that, how I do my top-down analysis, okay? I'm going to show you guys how I do my top-down analysis so that trading or analysis can be very, very easy for you. So let's go to the next one, the 75 1s. Then the next one again is 100s. Let's check the 100s. Let's check volatility 100s. Can you explain this strategy? Practically, yes. I cannot teach this strategy. This strategy is practically my major strategy that we use, that I'm going to be teaching on a class. Okay, I have a class coming up. I have a class coming up today where I'm going to be teaching all of this, both the strategy, including how to use AI to analyze the market, how an AI can give you trade signals. Okay, I have an AI platform that can give you trading signals. Okay, and also how to get funded. If you need money to trade, instead of you can use other people's money to trade. I'm also going to be teaching you exactly how to do that inside the class. Okay, I'll teach you this strategy. I'll teach you close to 3 different simple strategies you can use any day, anytime. You don't have to get stressed. Simple strategies to trade. I'm going to teach you that strategy. I'm also going to teach you how to get funded. At least this is synthetic indices. You can get funded by using other people's money to trade. I want to teach you how to make money with forex trading without having to trade. You don't have to trade, but you still be making money with forex trading. I also teach you exactly which other one again? How to use AI to get trade signals, so that you not be second guessing your trade. Let's say you analyze a trade, you want to make sure that your trade is your direction is actually correct. I will teach you, I will give an AI, a better AI than ChatGPT, that will help you do that. Everything is going to be in the class today. It's going to be a 1-week mentorship class where I'm going to be teaching all this. Reyes, are you with me? Reyes, are you with me? I'm going to be teaching you strategy. I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze this trade. So we have the 100s, we have volatility 100. Now this strategy that I see on my screen now has some pairs it doesn't work with. Adamu, okay, Adamu is with me. This strategy on my screen now has some pairs that you don't want to use it with, and there are pairs you want to use it with. I don't know if I'm getting me, sir. You get some pairs you don't want to use that with. You get some pairs they use that with. So let's go to the next one. Jump. The next one is jump 10. This strategy I see on my screen work on all jump pairs. Work on all jump pairs. All jump pairs works on all of them. Let's check jump 25. Let's see if we have an opportunity there. Okay, not yet. Not yet. Let's check jump 50. Let's see if we have an opportunity on jump 50. I'm going to be dropping a trade, okay? Jump 50, no. Let's check jump 75. Check 10s. Okay. Yeah, this strategy work with 10s. This strategy on my screen work with 10s. Let's see if there's opportunity yet. No, not yet. There's no opportunity yet. We already missed one. We already missed this buy. And then we missed this sell. We missed this buy. There are things I look for before I use the strategy to trade. There are things I have to look for before I can use the strategy to trade. There are things I have to look for. But I can't teach that on this video. I can't teach that on this live class. Make sure you join my Telegram community. Let's check jump 100. This is jump 100. I think jump 100 is doing well. I think we might be able to use on jump 100. Let me check. No, we can't. We cannot. We can't use it on jump 100 just yet, okay? So now let's go back to our major analysis. Let's go back to our major analysis. Now, which pair should we analyze? Which pair do you want me to analyze? Which pair should I analyze? Let's do it together. Let me teach you exactly how I do it. Which pair do you suggest? Which pair do you suggest, guys? Which pair? Jeffrey, which pair? Adam, which pair? Which pair you analyze? Which pair? Anyone, okay? You don't have any specific pair in mind? You guys don't have any specific? Okay, 250 years. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it 250 years. 250 years is already on a massive move. Okay, Reyes, let's do 250 years. I can see 250 years is already on a massive move already. I've been on 250 years for like the past 4 days now. I've been 3 days. I see 250 years. Let us analyze 250 years. Then I'll analyze this 250 years. I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing, okay? I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing on any pair, any kind of pair. I'll show you exactly how to do it on any kind of pair. I'll show you how to do the strategy on any kind of pair. Let me set this stuff. Well, let me just do these settings. All right, so now we are here on the chart. 250. Let's go to 250 years. Now 24 hours, guys. What you need to do, please, I don't know if you have your paper, your pen with you. If you are writing, you need to write this down. This is going to really help you analyze your market. You know, make analysis very easy for you. The first thing you want to do, 24 hours only, mark out any level of support and resistance. I don't know if I'm speaking language. I don't know if I'm speaking your language, sir. On 24 hours time frame, mark out anything that resembles support and resistance. That's all you need on 24 hours. Don't do much. Don't stress yourself. Only support and resistance, a level of support and resistance, or a level of support that on resistance or resistance to support. Just mark it out. So what I'm going to be using this tool, horizontal ray. I'm going to use horizontal ray. I'm going to be doing this first. You can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to blur it. I'm going to be using this. See what I did? See what I did there? Now they say so. So all I have to do now, all I did was to mark another level of support. So keep on marking another one you see. Make sure you mark close to the price. Now this is where the price is right now. And judging from what I'm looking from the price, you can see that the market is currently rejecting this level. Got it? That's the market is rejecting that level. And then also rejecting this level too. Like this. I would have used something like this. I would have used something like this. So that's what we are going to be marking. Just any level of support and resistance. So I'm going to be, let me use a zone. I like majorly using lines, but let me use a zone. I'm going to be using a zone, and I use blue. I'm going to blur it. So you can do this on any kind of pair, so please, you know that you can do this on any pair at all. Any pair, you can do this on any pair. Alright, so now once you're done marking out your support and resistance on 24 hours, the next thing you do is to go to 4-hour time frame and look for the market direction. It's as simple as that. Go to 4-hour time frame and look for the trend. Now there are three kinds of trend you're going to be looking for: uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. Write that down. Write that down. 4 hours, look for the trend. Identify the market trend. Identify the market trend. Either uptrend, either downtrend, or consolidation. And of the three, that's what you're looking for. In this case now, you can see the market is obviously on an uptrend right now, approaching the level of what? Resistance. It's currently approaching the level of resistance. Market is currently approaching the level of resistance. Meanwhile, while it's going up, is there a possibility for a retracement? Yes, there is. Why? There is a level of, there is a resistance around here. There is a zone here, a resistance to support multiple times here. You can see that. There is a nice resistance turn support zone here that the market can practically go back to. Like this. Can you see that? So that's how I'm going to do an analysis. Now what I'm seeing right now, the market is obviously on an uptrend. Now, what I'm expecting, you can see the market is pushing up massively. I'm expecting that the market might want to retrace back to this zone before pushing up higher. Many might want to retrace back to this zone after breaking it. You can see it's consolidated around there with these candles. Then I think it might want to go up, come back, pull into it before continue upward. That's what I'm going to be looking for my entry from. So I'm going to go now to 1 hour. Now 1 hour is actually meant to look for structure, but in this case now we don't need to look for structure because market is practically on an uptrend already on the consolidation phase for 24 hours. This is a consolidation phase for 24 hours, right? So I'm going to go to my 60 minutes like this. Okay, we already got the retest already. We already got the retest. Guys, we already got the retest already. We got the retest already. We might not be coming. We're not coming back again. 1 hour already. 1 hour has already done the retest. You can see that. 1 hour has done the retest already. We might not be coming back down. We're not be coming back here again. So what do? We go to 15 minutes time frame and look for an entry on 15 minutes time frame, which I believe is going to be around here. Let's wait for it. It's going to be around once it has broken this structure. It's going to be around here. This is an inducement. This is an inducement we have right here. We have an inducement right there. We have inducement right here. Then we have a very nice demand zone here. Like this. So we have. Hope my screen is clear. So we have a 15 minutes demand zone right here. Guys, remember this thing that you guys can replicate this strategy any day, anytime. This is the easiest way to analyze market with clarity. This is the easiest way to analyze market with clarity. This is the easiest way to analyze market with clarity. So all I'm expecting now is the market to push up higher, breaking this level. They pull back to this demand zone and then push up higher. What I'm expecting to happen. Is anybody with me? Good. And I'm with me. Yeah, correct. So we're going to do another pair now, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this, how to replicate it again. But now this is exactly what we're looking for. We're waiting for the market to pull back down here because we officially swept the liquidity here with this retest. This retest we did here. This retest we did here was what we used to see that inducement. This pullback, this market pullback that we start this inducement is what we used here. So definitely we are doing the same thing here. We don't want market to push up higher, then pull back into this demand zone before we enter. Like that. This is what we have. Can you see that? It's as easy as that. So let me do this. Let me do this on my. Let me do this on my major analysis right here. Let me do this on my major analysis right here. Remember we did it, Abi? Support and resistance on higher time frame, right? Then let me mark out the support and resistance zone. Then let me mark out this one. Like this. Remember, 24 hours, the work of 24 hours is to mark out support and resistance. That's what you are doing on 24 hours. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate it. Then I'm going to go to 4 hours. I'm going to use 4 hours. I'm going to use the 4 hour chart to identify the market trend. Luckily for us, we have a level of support and resistance here. A zone that the market is respecting back to back. We have a zone that the market is respecting. Market have been respecting back to back. So let's remove this. We have already been on this market movement already. So that one has passed already. So let's look for this. I'm going to go to 60, 15 minutes right here. So you can redo this again. So pick another pair, guys. Which pair should we do again next? Which pair should we do next? Adam, are you with me? Which pair should we do next? Which pair should we do next? Boom 300. Actually, I don't like to trade boom and crash again, but we can try it. I don't trade boom and crash as before. I've stopped trading boom and crash, but no problem, we'll do it. We'll use boom what? Boom 300, okay. Now, most of you that like to use order block and fair value gap. It's good though, but I think you should learn to use order flow too. Order flow is going to really start saving your life. Order flow, if you start using order flow very well, if you use order flow alongside with your demand supply, or demand zone, supply zone, fair value gap with order block, if you start using order flow, it will give you more clarity whenever you are trading. 15 minutes demand zone right there. Although this demand zone I marked out now is currently inside of the order flow. It's currently inside of the order flow. That's why I'm very, very confident. Because this is the order flow right here. This is the order flow. That's the order flow I just marked out now. So in case you don't know what order flow is, I might be able to teach you guys what order flow is. If you want me to teach you what order flow is, do not crash now. Wow. That woman crash, everyone will deliver that pair. Alright, so I'm going to save this. I'm going to wait. So we are going to wait for a push upward, then a pull back here to the demand zone before we now push higher. We should be expecting a sell anytime soon. Our stochastic is telling us we should start looking for a sell anytime soon. So anytime soon we'll be looking for sales. Alright, let's do boom 300. Boom 300. For 24 hours first. Now, what are we looking for in 24 hours, guys? What are we looking for in 24 hours? Anybody? What's the work of 24 hours? What are we doing on 24 hours? Anybody tell me, what are we doing on 24 hours? What are we looking for 24 hours time frame? What are we doing on 24 hours? What are we doing on 24 hours? That's 24 hours. Now we want to mark out our support and resistance. Only key level, only key support and resistance zones. Correct. So marking and support and correct. So that's what I'm doing. You mark out your recent support and resistance. Correct, you guys. Now they with me. So that's what I'm doing. Can you see that? That's what I'm going to be marking out. Key level of support and resistance where the market will likely react to. Just key levels, that's all. Nothing much again. That's what I'm going to be marking. Key levels, that's all. I'm currently focusing on where the price is right now. See where the price is, that's what I'm going to be focusing on. Now, once you have marked out your major key levels that are very close to where your market price is right now, once you don't mark out your key levels, you don't have to mark out all the charts. Just mark out the recent ones, okay? Don't mark out the recent ones that you are seeing, like this one also. That's where the market is likely to react from. Are you seeing that? Now, 4 hours. Now go to 4 hours. Go to 4 hours and identify the market trend, current market trend. Now, the trend is in 3 phases. It can be an uptrend, downtrend, or a consolidation. Uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. That's what I'm looking for. Now, you can practically tell this market is uptrend. Is that also? The market is currently on an uptrend by looking at it. Now, what about if you are looking at it and you cannot tell if it's an uptrend or downtrend? What do? Use your moving average 50. I use my moving average 50 to tell. As long as the market is always breaking above my moving average 50, then I'm always going to be taking for a buy. My moving average 50 on the 4 hours is always breaking above the market is always breaking above my moving average 50. So which means that it's always going to be on an uptrend. Market is definitely on an uptrend. Now that we have gotten our uptrend, good. You can see right now that the market is practically going up. So the next thing to do is to mark out the structure in line. Once you've gotten the market trend, now go to 1 hour. Mark structure that is in line with uptrend, which means you are looking for higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows, that's what you should be marking. Anything other than that is cancelled. Higher highs and higher lows, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to go to 60 minutes. My 4 hour is telling me the market direction, which is uptrend. You see how simple this is. I'm marking at my higher highs and higher lows. This is my high. So this is my high. So you can see I just marked up my high. Then we got a very good resistance here. You can see the market respected the daily time frame zone. That's why it's very important you always mark these zones out. Market always respect it, okay? Market always respect these zones. So market definitely respected this zone. Market respected this zone. Then we are marking out our structures. So you can see market swept this inducement right here. Market swept the inducement right here. Market swept this inducement right here. Are you seeing it, guys? Market swept the inducement right here. Then it respected the fair value gap. Let me mark out the other flow. The other flow is around, this is the other flow. This is my 1 hour order flow right here. This is my 1 hour order flow. Are you seeing the 1 hour order flow? So I got my 1 hour order flow right here. Then I'm marking out my fair value gap, which market respected. Now let me give you guys a tip. If the market respect the 50% level of a zone, then it's very, very good. You can see that this is the fair value gap. And you can see market respected it from the 50% level. See, I say from the center. Now, this is from the center of the fair value gap, like market respect. Market respected fair value, so which means it's a very, very good one. Now, I also use my stochastic, my 1 hour, I use my 1 hour stochastic also to tell me my swing lows and swing highs. You can see we are oversold here. We are oversold. So this is my swing low, which means this level here is correct. If the 1 hour is like this and the zone is going up, then this level here is very, very correct. So we're looking for buys now. We are looking for buys. We are only looking for buys. That's what we're looking for. Buys. That's what we're looking for. On Boom 300. One hour fair value gap. We're looking for buys on Boom 300. We're looking for only buys. We have a BOS right here. We also have another new BOS right here, which is a continuation phase, okay? Continuation phase of the market. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go to 15 minutes now and look for our entry. We'll use 15 minutes to look for entry. Let's see if we can get a structure going upward. Let's see if the market will give us a structure going upward. Are we getting a structure? Yep, I think we got a structure. We have this structure here. We have these eyes here. You know, you cannot just enter from like this. You cannot just enter like this. It's not possible. This looks like an equal low. This looks like a very nice equal low. Now the market is a little bit, it's like consolidating around this area for a while. If the market is consolidating around an area, make sure you look for a level of resistance. Maybe it might be a resistance. Maybe it might be a level of resistance. That's why the market is consolidating around that area. I'm getting a bit of resistance from this zone here. Are you seeing that? I'm getting a little bit of resistance from this zone here. But might not actually be a problem. Might not be a problem. Alright, good. That might not actually be a problem, sure. But let's just watch and so this is what we have now on Boom 300. So the only entry I'm looking at right now is this. We had our low from here. According to our stochastic, we have our low from here. Then we have our new low here. So which means we are waiting for the market to either treat this level as an equal low, treat this level as an equal low. Market might want to treat this level as an equal low, like this, go back down here before pushing up, or might respect this level here, which is this other block here. So this is where we are hoping to enter the market from. So that, but for now we cannot enter the market because there is no opportunity right now. We can't enter the market right now. There is no opportunity for us to enter, just as we are right now. But this market was a massive. If you had caught the market from here, if you had caught the market from this fair value gap, would have been so very, very nice. Would have been very, very nice. Just take a swing all the way to the top here. All the way to the top here. If you had caught it, you'd have taken your buy all the way to the top there. Let's check 5 minutes. Let's see if we can get any other confluence on 5 minutes. Yes, we are getting a consolidation. This market is going to break. It's going to break with a massive push. It's going to break with a massive push. We are getting the market is currently consolidating around this area. It's a consolidation phase. You can see my Bollinger Band is squeezed. You can see that the Bollinger Band is squeezed. So because of the squeeze, that means the market is consolidating. Market is currently consolidating. So what we have now. So you have to pay attention to every singular time frame whenever you are analyzing the market. Pay attention to every singular time frame. Now we have now. So on 5 minutes time frame, you can wait for the market to break. If you break any of this level, you enter the market. Look, my face, are you with me, sir? Are you there? So which other one should we go for again? Which other pair should we go for again? Which other pair should we analyze again? Let me know. Let's check our B25 we entered the other time. If we break even. Well, okay, we have hit TP, guys. That's strategy I dropped for you guys. We hit TP. So you can see that we hit TP on the trade. So I'm going to mark it down. I have a journal where I write out my trade entries. Where is Byro day? So I hit TP again. I hit TP. Boom, 600. Okay. I just hit TP on this trade using this strategy. I told you this strategy that you are seeing on my screen is very, 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 very accurate. Very, very accurate. Very accurate. It was this close to my stop loss. 1:2. We are still pushing. We are still pushing good. We are still pushing good. You can see that. Let me look for another entry again using this strategy. The strategy name is called Outstow. That's the name I call it. It's called the Outstow strategy. Name is called Outstow. This strategy is called the Outstow strategy. We are pushing good. Let me look for another signal again. Let's do another signal again with this strategy. We've hit TP already. Let's start again with VIX10S. I have the pairs I'm analyzing with this strategy. Those who are telling that indicators don't work, they lie. They don't know what they're doing. Indicators work if you know how to use it. I think this trade is about to do something. VIX10S is about to give us an entry. VIX10S is about to give us an entry. If VIX10S do what I'm expecting, it's going to be massive. It's going to be a massive sell. If VIX10S give me what I'm looking for, it's going to be a massive sell. My strategy on this trade is about to click. It's about to click. If VIX10S give me what I'm looking for, I'm going to enter. Let's check volatility 10. V10, then 75 1S. I'll check the position. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, good, perfect, good. Oh, we can enter from here. We put our stop loss above this level. Our stop loss is going to be a little bit high. If we enter from here, our stop loss is going to be a little bit higher. If the one is to okay, guys, another signal. Perfect entry, guys. Perfect entry. You can enter the trade now. V75 1S, guys. V75 1S. V75 1S, guys. V75 1S. V75 1S is going to be a perfect sell. You can sell V75 1S now. 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 With a 1:2. You can sell V75 1S now with 1:2. Perfect entry, guys. Perfect entry. You can sell V75 1S now. Perfect entry. This trade is going to be up to like 1:3, 1:4. Sha. This trade is going to give us something like 1:3, 1:4. I'm very confident. I'm very confident. This trade is going to give us something. It's going to be giving us something like 1:4, 1:5. I know why I'm saying that. It's going to give us 1:4, 1:5. This trade. It's going to be a 1:4, 1:5 kind of trade. V75 1S sell. V75 1S sell. Our stop loss at a very confidential area. Our stop loss is going to be just above this level. V75 1S sell. V75 1S sell. V75 1S sell. This strategy, I told you guys that this strategy works like crazy, and I'm going to prove it to you again. This is another live trade now. We just enter this trade now. Just watch and see what happens. Watch and see what happens in the next few minutes. Let's do for another one again. Let's check that V10. I think that V10 is about to click. Now this strategy is, like I said, is very good. That does not mean that there is no losses. So don't think that there is no losses. So there are losses. So okay, I think we got the same thing here. We got the same setup here again. The same setup here again on 25 on VIX10S. I'm going to be entering this one also. One ratio 2. Just 1:2. I like to target 1:2. 1:2 only. VIX10S also same thing. VIX10S 1:2. VIX10S 1:2. The volatility 10x 1:2. Same thing. Yeah. We are pushing down. Where is the white? The white one is there. Yes, the white one is there. We are moving below the blue line. Correct. Let's check the 75 1S. So let's wait for this two trade to play out and see what we've got. Let's wait for this two trade to play out. Let's wait for this two trade to play out. The 75 and then the volatility 10x. Let's wait for this trade to play out. I'm going to increase my stop loss a little bit above, like this. So I'm going to wait for this trade to play out. Let's see what we have. Let's wait for this trade to play out. Yeah, boom 600, right? Boom 600. Let's go for boom 600. Yeah, boom 600. Let's continue with how we usually do it. 24 hours time frame market support and resistance. 24 hours time frame market support and resistance. We do not have support and resistance on boom 600 right now. 24 hours. No support and resistance on boom 600. So what we need now is to identify market trend. You can see market has been selling massively. Market has been selling massively. And our stochastic is telling us that we're already oversold. So we should be looking for buy anytime soon. My stochastic on 24 hours is telling me that we're already on the oversold section. So we should be looking for buys anytime soon. Anytime soon. I'm looking for buys anytime soon. So let me go to 240. That is 4 hours time frame and look for what I'm looking for. All right. What trend are we? We are still on the downtrend. But the market in the 4 hours is now giving me movement upward. You can see my stochastic now is pushing upward, which means that I think it's time we start looking for buys. We have to start looking for buys, and we need to make sure our structure, our 1 hour is to market structure. Is that also? 1 hour is for structure. 4 hours is for strength. 24 hours is for support and resistance. Are you writing it down? 24 hours support and resistance or key zones. 4 hours for market direction. 1 hour for the structure in line with that market direction. So we're downtrend, but according to my stochastic now, we should start looking for buys. You can see that we're already on the oversold section, so my sell is officially over. That's why I like using my stochastic. It lets me know when the sell is over. So people still think market is still selling because it's already on a downtrend. But my stochastic is telling me that my downtrend is already over. I should start looking for buys. That's why you have to start focusing more on using the stochastic. You have to know forex trading is more of combining a lot of things together. So I'm combining the stochastic with my structure. So now I'm looking for a 1 hour structure in line with what 4 hours is telling me now. 4 hours is telling me the market should be going upward. So I'm going to be doing that now. 60 minutes. I'm marking out structure. Now, according to my structure, a high should break a low should break an high. Now I'm looking for an high. I'm looking for a high that leads to a low. And a low that leads to an high that breaks the previous high. So I have right here. Good. So I have an upward structure right now. I have a structure to the upside. Higher highs and higher lows. Market is giving me higher highs and higher lows right now. So now, where is going to be my next entry? I'm seeing an inducement right here. I'm seeing a 1 hour inducement right here. I'm seeing a 1 hour inducement right here. What other thing again am I seeing? The last candle before this massive push. The last candle before this massive push is this. This is my zone. This is my demand zone. 1 hour demand zone. This is my 1 hour demand zone. I'm going to go to 15 minutes time frame and look for my entry on 15 minutes. And whatever the manual I just marked out is in line with the 15 minutes order flow. You can see that it's in line with the 15 minutes order flow. Do you see that? So before I enter the market, I have to wait till my 15 minutes stochastic, this red and blue, gets to the oversold section. Once it gets to this oversold section, I wait for this black to cross it over and I enter my trade. So I think I'm going to be entering my trade from here, something around here, or boom 600, like that. This is my entry. Please bear with me. Let me know. Are you with me, guys? Just give me a yes if you are with me. Give me a yes if you are with me. We are currently pushing. We are pushing good. We are pushing good. Volatility 75 is pushing good. Risk 75 is pushing massively good, massively well. We are going good. We are going good. We are going good on the 75-1S. The VIX 10S, let's see. The 10S is still struggling. So that's what we have on boom 600, guys. That's what we have on boom 600. If you entered on the 75-1S, you should be on profit right now. You should be on profit right now. You should be on profit right now. If you enter volatility 75-1S, you should be on a good profit right now. This market is going to be pushing. It's going to be pushing for a very, very long time. It's going to be a very long sell. It's going to be a very, very long sell. This volatility 75 is going to be a very long sell, guys. It's going to be a very long sell. In the next 10 minutes, you'll be closing the live class. In the next 10 minutes, you'll be closing the live class. And you can start adjusting your stop loss downward. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be closing the live class. Let's check the 100s. Let's see if we got an entry on the 100s. No? How about the 100? No entry on the 100. Then let's check our jump. Let's check our jump pairs. Not yet. How about jump 25? And we missed this one. We missed this. We missed this, okay? Jump 50. We missed that entry just now. We missed that entry. Jump 50 is still pushing up, but there was no entry for us. Jump 75. You guys should join the Telegram group. Then jump 100. I'm hosting a class today, in case you want to join. I'm hosting a class today where I'm going to be teaching all this. Let's check VIX 10S. If VIX 10S is already moving or not. Okay, VIX 10S is finally moving, guys. VIX 10S is finally moving. We are on profit on both trade. We are on profit on both trade. We are on profit on both trade. We are on profit on both trades. So hope you guys learned something from the analysis. You guys should be able to analyze market like a pro now. Market also be a continuation downwards. You guys should be able to analyze you guys should be able to analyze market very easily now with what I've taught you. The way I've taught you how to analyze, with the way I've taught you how to analyze, you should start analyzing market very easily now, without stress. Okay, good. I think volatility 25 has just given us something. Let's wait for a pullback. Let's wait for a retest. I love this. I've been waiting for this trade. Market just hit a daily time frame resistance zone. I see that. A daily time frame support zone and support a strong resistance officially right now. Support on resistance. So let's wait for a retest. Let's wait for a retest like this before we enter. Let's wait for a retest. Let's wait for a 25. Let's wait for a retest for V25 before we enter. I'm waiting for a retest before we enter the market. We wait for a retest. If there's no retest, we do not enter. If there's no retest, we do not enter. We've already missed this breakout. No retest, no entry. No retest, no entry. Look at this breakout. This breakout was a massive breakout. Can you see that? See this breakout. Can you see that breakout? You guys see that breakout? Massive breakout from the pattern I drew yesterday. Massive breakout. Just simple knowledge, very easy. Very easy. Just understand what you are doing. Analysis become very easy for you. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to be closing this class. I didn't drop a signal because I'm not sure of this trade. This trade is misbehaving. I'm not sure. Oh, we've tapped it too. Come on for here. I don't trust it. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. I don't trust this pair. So let's wait for V25 for retest. We are waiting for a retest on V25 before we can enter the market. We wait for a retest. We have to wait for a retest. We are waiting for a retest on volatility 25 before we can enter the market. Let's wait for a retest. Control S. Now we have almost hit TP. We have almost hit TP on VIX 10S. If you enter, congratulations. If you entered VIX 10S, we have almost hit TP. Let's check the 751S. Let's check 751S. We are still moving good. We are still moving on 751S. Just still playing around, but we're still moving. I've almost hit TP, guys. I've almost hit TP, guys. I've almost hit TP, guys. Strategies. This strategy, I told you guys, this strategy has a very massive win rate. It makes it very easy for you to analyze market and get good profits. I told you guys, I said it's very, very easy to implement. Very easy to implement. If this should be our second win. This should be our second win. If we hit TP on this trade, it's going to be our second win. But if we hit TP on the survivor, it's going to be our third win for today. Just in the space of 1 hour. In the space of 1 hour, we've taken 3 profits. Survivor is finally pushing, guys. Survivor is finally pushing. In the space of 1 hour, we've taken 3 trades. We've won 3 trades. We will win 3 trades. If this one hits TP now, this will be our second one. If Survivor hits TP, it's going to be our third trade. We have almost hit TP, guys. We are almost there, sir. We are almost there. We're almost there. I told you guys this strategy is very, very powerful. When I teach you play, they play. When I say something is powerful, something is powerful. I don't joke around with it. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there, guys. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We're almost at TP. By now you have broken even already. By now you have broken even. You can even close your profit now if you want to. Remember, this is a 1:2. And now remember, guys, for this 1:2, this strategy is majorly for this. If you want to grow your account, use this strategy majorly for this growth plan. Just use it for this 1:2. If you do this two trades every day, 2 trades every day in the next 30 days. If you do 2 trades every day, in the next 30 days, you reach your target. If you do 2 trades every day, in the next 30 days, you will hit this. In the next 30 days, you will hit this. If you use this strategy, if you practically use this strategy correctly, in the next 30 days, you should hit this plan. If you use this strategy only, it will really help you. It will really help you so much that you can hit $3,300 profit target in the space of 1 month. Confirmed, though. I mean confirmed. Almost there, guys. Almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost hit TP. We have almost hit TP. I want it to hit TP so that I can write it down. I want it to hit TP so I can write it down. I want it to hit TP exactly so I can write it down. I think this is even good enough for us. I think we're out of the trade. We are done. We're out, guys. We are good. We are good. We are good. I think we are good already. We are good already. Take profit already, guys. Take profit already, guys. Take profit already, guys. You know what, Tosha? I think take profit already, guys. I think that's all. We have taken profit. We've taken our profit already. I've taken my profit already. That's all. I think we are done. That's all. We have taken our profit already. Let's say some 5-1s. Let's say some 5-1s. Let's check some 5-1s. We are still moving on. Some 5-1. We are still moving. Although we are still playing around, but we are still moving. We are moving gradually. All right, guys. So that'll be the end for the class today. Tomorrow we'll continue from there, and we'll take signals again tomorrow. Now I'm going to be doing it again, or in the night. Now I'm going to be doing it daily. So the first time we did was V25. With 10s.